Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So we are in February 2026, and I went online and I bought a bunch of storage containers here for organization so that we can finally get more of the flower farm and my flower shop area studio more organized. And this here does come with wheels to put on this so that it will be movable. So that's going to be nice and help out a lot. So these right here, this is the Sterilite 8.5 by 11, and they have the pull-out drawers here, and these are going to work great for, you can store seeds in these, and you can store your pruners in them, and all of your different gardening supplies like your tape and different things for your tomato tie-ups. So you can also put like a notebook in here, and then I'm going to be labeling all of these. So this big one down here is going to be used for storage as well. And then these right here, hold on here. Oh, let me get these apart here. Whoops. Ah, come on. These are going to work great for separating our pruners out, and you can also put seeds in these as well. So each of these is going to get labeled. These here are 13.5 long by 8 inches wide by 4 5/8 inches high. So this was a set of 10 here, and these are the 6 quarts. And what I'm going to do with these, you can put seeds in them, but I want to start separating out all the pruners and different things, have everything on shelves and nice and labeled so that we can find everything. We're going to be getting all of the plant food on my big shelves all cleaned off. The shelves are going to get cleaned off and everything's going to get organized on them so that everything's going to be like on one thing with the exception of the seeds, because I store those at a different spot to keep them nice and cool. But I got a lot of these trays here, and you can even use these just in your house. But some of these are going to get used in my office space and different things so that I can finally get my stuff all organized. Now this big tray here, well, you know what? One of these trays here, I haven't decided which one yet, is going to be for mixing our seed starting mix up in, and then we're going to be able to put the tray in it, fill them up. We're going to be able to use the soil block maker in these. So I haven't decided yet if I want to use the really long tray. This one here is 29 3/8 long by 18 inches wide by 6 inches high. It's a 41 quart. And this one here is 23 inches long by 16 5/8 inches wide by 5 7/8 inches high. This is a 28 quart one. So I haven't decided which one of these yet is going to be used for mixing the seed starting mix up in, and then using it for the soil blocking. But like I said, I went and I bought a bunch of different containers and stuff. So I'm going to be getting everything organized, because I'm probably going to use one of these small ones here for putting the plant tags in so that we know exactly where they're at. And then these over here, and these right here are going to be like for the tomato tapes and different things. I don't know if I'm going to put the pruners in here or not. I think I'm going to save those more for these so I can label each one individually. It depends on how well they fit, and I'll have to, you know, kind of play around with it some and see. But one of the things that's happening is all of our stuff's getting all mixed up. We can't find it. It gets put on different shelves, or stuff gets moved and not labeled. So hopefully this year we're going to have stuff a lot more organized and be able to actually find all of our stuff. And you can take like little post-its or something and right on what's in each drawer. If you had to, you could take a piece of cardboard and cut it down and use it as a divider. Like if you wanted one side for a specific thing and the other side for something different, you could use that as well. And I am going to be doing that with some of these things here. So really looking forward to getting to use these and getting everything all organized. I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done, but that video will come later because there's a lot of stuff that needs to be organized and gone through, and some stuff needs to be found. So I do have pre-existing shelving in the basement. It just needs all organized and everything cleaned off and redone and everything labeled and stuff put where it needs to be, because everything right now is kind of like scattered out, and stuff got put in front of it, so it's kind of hard to get to. And you know, maybe I'll use one of these trays for the frost covers too. I'm not sure yet, but we also have the plant netting and all that different stuff, and because I want to get like all the sticky traps and everything else all put on the shelves and have it where everybody knows where everything is, and hopefully the stuff will get put back where it's supposed to be when they're done using it. That's a goal, so hopefully that will happen. But as soon as I have everything organized and everything else, I will come back and I'll show you how I organize it, how I put the stuff together, and what I use. I bought a lot because I wanted to make sure that I had enough to finish my project that I'm working on to get everything organized. And another thing that really helped was getting a boot tray, because when everything's all wet and sloshy, it's just nice to have a boot tray to put your boots and your different outdoor shoes in, so that you don't get the mud and water on everything else. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. I'll try to put a new video on. Thank you for watching, and please have a nice day. Bye!